So here we are with the Iso Lele. This car has really come a long way since my last video. See some new work here, but where the work really shows up is when we move to the front. And you can see from the different way the new metal kind of reflects the light. This whole structure that was rotted away has been rebuilt. See all of this? All this front structure is rebuilt. The rockers, which were completely dissolved away by rust, those are all renewed here. This car is all renewed all the way to the back of the rear wheel arches. In front, we're rebuilt up here. We're rebuilt going along the side. And if we can step now and look into the trunk, we can see how we're making the transition from an old rusty car to a new car. So you can see here, these are original framing pieces of this car, and you can see that they've taken the metal flooring off of that because it was destroyed by rust. You can see it's solid up here, but down at the bottom we still have some original metal that's destroyed by rust. And we are going through, as I just showed you, we're replacing it piece by piece. You want to show them where that's going to go?
Sure. This piece here is just in the beginning stages of fabrication. It's going to be located right here in this lower section. We've already started in the back, but we'll piece this in. You won't even be able to tell.
Now, I want to point out that this is not a patch for this metal. We're going to cut out the metal that's rotted.
Absolutely, yeah.
And this will be butt welded smoothly in there so that you won't even feel the transition if you run your hand over it. And if we look over here, these are all of the pieces that you've made for the trunk.
So, myself and Tom spent time just making all these inside pieces for the trunk area. Reason we chose to pre-make them is the car is going to be getting sandblasted. We wanted to make sure that the whole inner structure can be sandblasted and treated properly with anti-corrosive primers. So everything here has anti-corrosive on the inside, and that'll protect it and help it to last for many generations. So, yeah.
So the workmanship on this car is going to outlast us. You know, if Iso had thought of doing these things back when this car was made, it wouldn't be in the shape it's in today. But it's certainly something we can all take pride in, restoring it the way it is. It's really a beautiful piece of work.